How are you getting on? Right, well, watch, see if you actually close that gap there, because you're just sweeping onto the floor. How are you doing?
Good.
You're doing a good job, aren't you?
But I just hurt my hand.
Did you?
Yeah. And that bit is going to go like... You can actually get these gaps like that. That gap's not coming on. That gap is not coming on.
Is it not? Doing a good job.